Welcome to our apologetics video. In fact, I'm very much disturbed concerning the issue which happened yesterday, whereby our president talked and said something in front of the Finland president. In fact, I was perturbed and shocked. It says that the President Ruto has publicly declared that his administration has ended the practice of abductions in Kenya. In a recent statement, he assured that all individuals who were previously abducted, including those detained during the Gen Z-led protest, have been reunited with their families. He emphasized that such incidents will not recur under his leadership. In fact, I'm shocked. However, this assertion has been met with skepticism from various quarters, especially the human rights organizations, including Missing Voices and Amnesty International, have reported a rise in enforced disappearances of extrajudicial killings, noting that 2024 witnessed the highest number of cases since they began monitoring in 2019. Additionally, figures like former Chief Justice Maraga have highlighted unresolved cases such as that of Brian Odhiambo, who disappeared while in custody of Kenya Wildlife Service. The issue has also drawn international attention. For instance, Kenyan Minister for Public Service, Justin Muturi, revealed that his son was abducted by the National Intelligence Services during anti-government protests and was only released following President Ruto's intervention. While the President Ruto commitment to ending abduction is a positive step, the persistence of such incidents and the lack of accountability for past cases continue to raise concerns among human rights advocates and the international community. Gen Z, don't be fooled. They say abductions have ended, but people are still missing. Justice is still delayed. Yet, in this case, we are not just here to vibe, we are here to stand firm. And as followers of Christ, we expose injustice, speak truth to the power to be, and defend our faith boldly. What does the Lord requires of you, Gen Z? To act justly, love mercy, and walk humbly with your God. That is in the book of Micah chapter 6 verse 8. This is more than protest. This is more than politics. This is a spiritual stand for truth, for justice, and for Christ. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Share it to your friends. Thank you.